just had a doctor's appointment and I feel like I need to get out of the house, so I'm gonna go out and drive. So I just drove until I found a destination today, and it's gorgeous out here. I think someone had a fire when I'm almost certain you're not supposed to do that out here because it's a area. But I'm gonna try drawing with charcoal and see how that turns out. Hi. Are you a jumping spider? Oh my goodness. Hello there. It's okay. So I grabbed some Dunkin'. I'm sorry, plant. I grabbed some Dunkin' and I'm going to try to clean this section of my room because it became a disaster when I started doing the aquarium stuff. And then I just didn't fix it. I also really want to put a beanbag in here, so I need space for that. have this section of my room is super clean and cozy, so that's great. I'm tired though, so I'm gonna head to bed early. Thanks for watching. I've been really enjoying making long form content lately, even if I don't always have the time to do it. You can support this journey by liking and commenting, and check out my other videos. I post quite sporadically, but I think everyone's pretty good. Bye.